Hi, just wanna share the feature about import and export in the Post Manager. I think this kind of video will help us to get some feedbacks and yeah, and share some ideas. So let's take a look at this video. It's a video. Um, okay, let's take a look. All right, so in the import and export spreadsheet, you can select specific post or all the post to export with lots of you can see there's a lot of post the custom post metas right there. Yeah, so this video was sent by Selena last night. The code has not been merged, and so we're still in a testing and development stage. So this is the video sent by Selena. Okay, so you can export it in excuse me, two methods right now. So two formats. One is a good old CSV, which is cool. Another one is something called the RightPlace JSON. It's sort of a yeah, it's a JSON. It's a custom JSON which you can import and export. And also, when you are exporting in a RightPlace JSON, you can add an encryption. Just add some, let's say if you want to send this file to another colleague, then you might need that password, and then you can define what kind of fields you can export. You can turn them on, turn them off, and also some of the fields are, if you need custom labels, yeah, these are the labels. You can customize your labels and export it. Once exported, you can save it. Now you can save it on there. Okay, it's just saved, right? It's just saved right there. Or you can actually import them. Yeah, now it's showing how you import it. So when you are importing it, of course you have to enter the encryption password. If it's not, it's failed to decrypt. And yeah, now you open it, and then you can select which fields to import. And essentially you can also choose what they are. Are they post meta? Are they ACF? Later we're gonna add ACF, MetaBox, and finally Jet Engine and ACPT. Okay, you can add tags. Okay, cool. And then you can deselect some of the data, and then you can import them, and you can preview the data. You can import them. Okay, it shows it's imported. It doesn't look clearly if it's imported or not, but it's imported. Okay, another thing you can do. This is the most interesting feature that I think I will use the most, is a transfer. So why would you import and export? Why would you export and import? It's, I think 90% of the time, 99% of the time, or 90% of the time, is to move data to another website. So if we can transfer it, I think we can just skip the import and export altogether. So as you can see in this video, you can actually select the destination website. So these are the websites that's being managed by RightPlace, and you can just deliver it to that place, right? Okay, and you can just click it and transfer it to it. So I think that part is still under development. So once the transfer is done, we can actually add more stuff like shooting it into as a webhook, right? Why can't we just shoot the data as a webhook towards, let's say, Airtable, or to somewhere else, whatever for your needs. Or we can actually also upload it to a database using some way, like for example, we can transfer it to a Supabase, MongoDB, whatever database you want to move to, or maybe we can connect it and then pull it. So this import and export will keep developing it to make it something that's very powerful. Personally, I would need connection to like MongoDB, and also the Supabase, and Airtable, definitely Airtable, because some of the projects we're still using Airtable to handle the post But yeah, so that's what we're gonna do. So yeah, that's the updates and process. Give us some ideas and feedbacks. It's still under development. It's pre-alpha. It's not done, so that's why it's just a video. Okay, yeah.